Welcome to 5205 Covesound Way, a waterfront paradise in MiraBay. Discover the perfect blend of modern updates, luxurious waterfront living, and Florida charm in this beautifully updated Morrison-built Islamorada floor plan. Situated on the coveted MiraBay Lagoon, this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,888 square foot home offers breathtaking panoramic views, direct access to Tampa Bay, and a host of premium features designed for relaxation and entertainment. This home features a brand new custom pool with a soaking ledge and waterfall, perfectly positioned to showcase stunning lagoon views from every direction. The lanai features a panoramic screen design that maximizes your view of the stunning MiraBay Lagoon, offering an unobstructed connection to the waterfront setting while keeping the space airy and open. The fully renovated modern kitchen boasts granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a spacious walk-in pantry, while wood-look porcelain floors flow seamlessly throughout the home for a stylish, low-maintenance and durable touch. Design elements like tray ceilings, crown molding, and custom plantation shutters add elegance and sophistication to every room. The front and back porches are covered and feature custom wood plank ceilings, creating a warm and inviting space for relaxing or entertaining. Outside, the fully fenced yard with mature landscaping adds privacy, and the private dock with a boat lift provides direct access to Tampa Bay, making this home a fisherman's dream. The property includes newer systems such as a water heater, water softener, and HVAC for peace of mind, as well as a spacious 2-car garage for additional storage. New roof, new paint throughout. Located in the highly desirable MiraBay community, residents enjoy resort-style amenities, including a clubhouse, cafe, 2 resort-style pools, tennis, basketball and pickleball courts, and a 24-hour fitness center. MiraBay offers a true boater's paradise with exclusive waterfront properties, easy access to shopping and dining, and a vibrant community atmosphere. This home combines stunning views, modern updates, and premium amenities, a short jog to the clubhouse from your front door offering the best of Florida living. Schedule your private showing today and see why 5205 Covesound Way is the dream waterfront property you've been waiting for.